Guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my super moisturized hair routine, and this is a style that you can wear for weeks. It literally lasts for a long time, so I definitely want to share it with you guys. So if you're interested, keep on watching. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. All right, let's hop right into it. Alright, so I'm starting off with freshly cleansed and conditioned hair. I used our Black Rice Water Deep Conditioner to deep condition my hair, and this is a really intense treatment, so you don't want to use this more than 3 times a month. This conditioner is fermented with black rice water, vitamins, minerals, herbs, and essential oils such as castor oil, amla, horsetail, and rosemary. And I have an entire video sharing with you how to use this deep conditioner, and I will link it down below in the description box. So I'm going to spritz my hair with a little bit of water because my hair tends to dry quickly, and then we're going to move on to the moisturizing section. So when you use our deep conditioner, you want to make sure that you are properly moisturizing your hair, and before any type of style, I make sure that I am thoroughly moisturizing my hair. And I'm going to be using our newest product, which is our Maximum Strength Hair Growth Moisturizer. So this Mango Shea Moisturizing Cream is absolutely amazing. A little goes a long way. This cream moisturizer is packed with tons of ingredients to help grow your hair. So applying it directly to the scalp will help grow your hair. And if you apply it to the length of your hair, it will help retain that length as well as increase elasticity in your hair. So I'm going to take a small amount and apply it to one section of my hair, and then I'm going to take another amount and apply it to the other section of my hair. And like I said, a little goes a long way. You really don't need much of this stuff at all. And since I am low porosity, I love to use this also as the C step in the LCO method. If you're new here and not familiar with the LCO method, it is liquid or leave-in, cream, and oil in that order, and you're basically just layering the products to help retain any type of moisture in your hair. And if you have high porosity, you want to go ahead and do the LOC method. So I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit of this to my scalp, and then I can start the process of doing the Flexi Rod set. So I'm going to be sectioning off my hair. I'm going to be taking small sections, and then I will go ahead and take a brush and just go ahead and detangle that section a little bit more. My hair is already detangled, but I like to detangle it again before I put in the Flexi Rod set because I kind of like the sections to be as smooth as it can possibly be. So now I'm going to be taking a little bit of mousse, and this right here is by John Frieda, and this is their curl enhancing mousse. And I'm just going to take a squirt of that and apply it directly to the section. Now my sections are kind of big because I don't want to be here all night. I don't really feel like doing too many, and also I want my curls to be a little bit bigger. So I'm going to go ahead and take the Flexi Rod, and I like to start at the ends, working my way up to the top. And then I can just secure the Flexi Rods at the ends by turning them inward. I'm going to go ahead and continue this process throughout my entire head of hair. I think when I was all done, I probably had about 40 Flexi Rods in my hair. But I really do love this hairstyle because it lasts a really long time and it looks better and better as the days go on. My hair just gets bigger and fluffier, and I just love this style. And I also feel like styles like this really help to retain moisture in your hair. So this is how my hair looks after I'm done with all the Flexi Rods. So I'm going to go ahead and put a scarf on and go to sleep on it. And it's kind of hard to sleep with these in your head, but style is worth it at the end of the day. Okay, so about 12 hours later, I can take the flexi rods down. You want to make sure that your hair is completely dry when you take your flexi rods down, just like any style, twist outs, whatever. You want to make sure it's completely dry before you take it out, or you can ruin the whole entire style. Okay, so here I am just putting a little bit of oil on my hands to take down the flexi rods, and this will help prevent any type of frizz. And that's a certain way I kind of like to take my flexi rods out, and I basically will hold the top of my hair and then I will flip the flexi rods out of my hair and twist it down to the bottom. So after I'm done taking all the flexi rods out of my hair, this is how my hair will look. And my hair looks super curly, like Shirley Temple's curls. Super, super curly. It's so cute. Now all I have to do is separate these curls. And I don't separate it too much because I want the style to last at least a week. But I will separate it and kind of fluff it out a little bit. And as the days go on, each day my hair will get bigger and just more beautiful each day as it goes on. So now what I'm doing is I'm going to be spraying the sunflower seed hydrating oil mist on my hair, and this will add shine. And you can also use this product on your skin as well to give you that natural glow. Alright, so this is about it. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give me a huge thumbs up if you did. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. You can follow me on any of my social media at Mariam J. Hampton and at MH Hair Growth. And also you can shop any of the products that I mentioned today at mariamhampton.com. Alright, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!